It's me, Addison Holland. I'm right here. And I'm with my special guest, Andy.
And Regan Owens. You can come join me with this video at the Heart of Cowgirl channel. So promo.
Yes, we are collabing. So we are in our indoor arena.
Yeah. And we're just run around crazy.
Yeah, have fun. So if you hear a loud noise, it's most likely him. He's
Hashtag Rudy too.
He's eating his food and moving a thing. So I'm going to show you guys the weather because it's really bad.
Not really bad, Addie. What are you talking about? That's a thunderstorm.
Me too.
Alright, so.
Let's get started with these epic fails.
Yeah, we're going to do a fail. So, here's the first fail. I'm riding my horse over poles, and don't be scared by any of these. These are probably can't even happen unless you have a really friendly horse. If you do, don't be afraid. Get them to you, take care of them, and always care about your health in case this happens. So you're just trotting over some poles, and your horse clicks it and goes. So, here is the real version of that. Here we go.
I'm going to come sit over here real quick. Boop, boop. What's that noise?
Okay, guys, update. There's a tornado.
And we got to go put our shoes on right now.
No, we should stay in here, Hattie. We need to stay in here.
Yeah, but we still need to put shoes on just in case.
Yeah, because if windows... Fail. Okay.
That's your sock.
So,
Just in case this place collapses.
yeah, in case this place collapses, get into one of the corners.
So there isn't a tornado warning, but my dad is a trained specialist in tornadoes, and he can tell. And he told me to take shelter because we're here alone, and yeah, so we gotta hurry.
We're home alone, and this is no joke. Like, guys, you can even see the weather. It's bad. There's circulation going on all around us, and it was really warm today and hot.
And it just like dropped down
in
to
like a split second, it got like 50 degrees and
cold. And
yeah, like as you
storming.
can see, we are wearing shorts, and we were on a walk, and then we see this big like cone drop down, and it's in like Wagner, and we're pretty close to Inola, so that's just like a clue for you guys. We're close to Inola. Wagner is like
30 minutes away.
yeah, 30 minutes away. 30 minutes probably. So we're just gonna take you all on a walk past the poop trails. We're gonna go on the short route. This is dangerous, so we don't want to be like crazy filming, but we are going to go on a little bit of a walk just to like, because we need to know what the weather is going to be like.
So we'll be back when we're doing like almost there. Okay.
I'm serious.
Yeah, I see it.
We should stay inside.
That right there could be it. Okay, let's go.
No, Addie. No.
We have to.
No, we don't.
Okay, let's go.
So, start the camera running.
Already did.
Okay, guys, we just wanted a wall cloud.
That's blue clouds.
The tornado sirens. Awesome. Come on. Addie, go.
Wait.
Oh, crap. If we drop it, we're going to
we
have to
actually
leave the phone
dropped
behind.
it.
And we'll try to get you, we'll try to get back to the camera as soon as we can. But we're so sorry if it does.
We're taking a break from running because we just ran a bit.
Yeah. But we're still walking extremely fast because it's bad stuff. Okay? It's going to, Addie, the skies are about to turn black.
A dog.
Okay, so we're home alone.
Yeah.
There's nobody here but the horses.
Yeah, all these cars are empty because I took one car.
Yeah.
It's all one person in the car. Yeah. They took our big van.
All these cars are empty. So we need to go back to the indoors. We have metal buildings, which is bad. But the house is in the road, and it's too dangerous to walk. So we need to keep Sunny safe with us. Sunny, you want to stay with us? If she runs off, then we're going to have to stay here.
Okay.
I can't go in here.
Don't take your shoes off.
Right. Okay, Maddie, I'm taking my shoes off.
Okay.
Because the storm isn't supposed to hit the big stuff. Put your shoes on. Now.
Get your shoes on.
I'm not even putting my socks on.
Are you kidding?
No. Get it. Addie.
No, we have to stay in here. It's too dangerous. Come on. Get under here.
Get in the corner. Get in the corner. Addie. Come here, Addie. No, Addie, you gotta get way over here.
No, because if that falls on us, we're in trouble.
Okay, Addie, we need to get in the middle. Could get in the middle. Why are we in the corner?
I don't know. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, guys. We're going to pause it and come back and roll. Okay, guys. We decided to get
down in the corner because
Oh, I just got sand in my boot.
the skies are turning black. Addie, you cannot take your shoes off.
I know. I don't want the sand in my boot.
The wind is coming towards us, so worst comes to worst, that wall goes in. We're gonna be, stuck in that wall.
Yeah. So we're gonna.
Here, let me take the camera.
Okay. Get in position.
So, we're staying over here. I have my head covered. I'm just showing you. I'm not covering myself because I have to hold the camera, but I'm sorry. We might have to come back. Because honestly, Sunny, get over here. Sunny, boo! Okay, now I'm covering my neck. So, guys.
We love you guys. Thank you for subscribing and everything.
Yeah, to be honest, this is like not a prank or anything. I have cried so many times so far because this might be the last time we see y'all. To be honest, there's an EF5 heading our way. There's a tornado warning coming on your phone.
Oh no.
It says
Okay.
EF5. What if we lose all the horses, though? Do we need to start turning them loose?
No. We never turn them loose. They have to stay in here. That's only in the fire.
That's true. Okay, the skies are turning white.
Okay, turn it off. We gotta go.
Okay, guys, we gotta go.
Goodbye. We love you guys. Goodbye.
Bye.